This stylish yet versatile case will keep your belongings organised and safe at home, school or in the office. Conveniently, use your organiser to store your items while travelling, moving between rooms, or alternatively, convert your organiser to sit on your desk or station. Let me show you how you can use your organiser. Simply load all of your essential items into the pouch through the top zipper. You can carry sticky notes, pens, pencils, highlighters, scissors, earphones or buds, charging cables, mobile phones, erasers and more. Once you've loaded your items, seal the compartment from the zipper for secure transportation. Now you can take your organiser with you wherever you go, in your handbag, backpack, or easily carry the case with you on its own. You'll notice the organiser has been designed with a sturdy base, allowing it to stand on any flat surface. Converting your organiser from case to a desk organiser is easy, just pulling down on the tabs located on both sides of the pouch. Your organiser transforms into a portable holder while exposing the contents for easy access. Alternatively, you can leave your slide organiser in the upright position, while the base of your organiser neatly sits your belongings comfortably on any table or flat surface. The COS Slide Organiser comes in a range of colours. Its unique design enables users to utilise stationary essentials while working remotely.